India is primarily an agriculture-based country and its economy largely depends upon it. One-third of the national GDP provides employment to over two-thirds of the Indian population in agriculture. Over the years, storage has been a major concern for farmers across the world. In India, after Green Revolution, the scenario of Indian agriculture changed, which resulted in more challenges in food grain storage. There are three types of storage methods used in India. Steel silos, also known as vertical silos, covered godowns or warehouses, plinth or open-to-air storage. Considering the fact that India is producing huge quantity of food grains and oil seeds year after year, the need for more scientific storage system is need of the hour. The silo bag storage system constitutes a low-cost alternative to conventional storage method. Originally developed in Argentina, this innovative technology has evolved over the last 10 years and is now time-tested, proven in more than 22 countries. In 2006, 25 million tons of crops were stored in silo bags, which is expected to rise up to 100 million tons by the end of 2011. A silo bag is a laminated mix of 3 layers of polyethylene, which can store up to 200 tons of grain. The first 2 layers act as a UV filter. The third layer is black and is designed to keep out sunlight. The challenge was to make this storage device airtight, prohibiting the survival of any unwanted bacteria, fungi and insects, but also to make it cool, preserving the content for longer periods. The grain is stored in the bag by means of a bagging machine. This machine is operative friendly and has capacity to bag 150 tons of grain per hour. When the silo bag is filled and sealed, thereafter respiratory oxygen from the grain, bacteria, fungi and insects is used. The oxygen is converted into an atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide, eliminating the survival of the organisms in this anaerobic environment, ensuring optimum conservation of grains all the time. Debagging the grain is a simple process which needs a grain extractor. This machine debags the grains at 150 tons per hour. Automatic seizers cut the bags at the top. Advantages: drastically lower one-time fixed costs, preserves original moisture content, no fumigation is required, ability to create storage for large quantities within quick time, quick bagging, debagging using minimum labor or manpower. Only way to capitalize on bumper harvest season. Flexibility, multi-location advantage, overall management and quality control possible by use of technology. Grain can be stored in silo bags up to 24 months and can be stored on plain open fields. Silo bags have been used in extreme conditions like 55 degrees Celsius in Sudan and -20 degrees Celsius in Ukraine. The innovative silo bag storage system is introduced by Panama Group in India in association with Samadis, South Africa, who has been setting up grain parks across the world for more than 6 years. Panama Group also enjoys exclusive support from silo bag manufacturer Plastar and machine manufacturer Akron, both from Argentina. Panama Group is a young, diversified group of companies with interests in agri-business, wind energy, homeland security, water management and construction. The team at Panama, true to the company's enterprising spirit, is committed to creating sustainable ecosystem of technology, development and infrastructure to meet the diversified needs of communities.